Hello YouTube family, welcome to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Today I'm going to share with you how I make a ersho or starter for injera. Here I have 2 cups of teff flour. Teff is gluten-free grain, native to Ethiopia and Eritrea, and it comes in 2 different colors naturally, red and white, and today I'm using the white one. I'm aware not everybody have access to teff flour. In that case, you can use wheat flour, like all-purpose flour. You can use rice flour, you can use barley flour, you can use millet and quinoa flour. As you can see, all I'm doing here is mixing the water and the flour slowly. And once I'm done mixing, I'm going to cover it and leave it at room temperature for 3 days. I usually leave mine on the kitchen counter. After 3 days, it should look something like this. I'm not sure if you can see it on the camera, but like there is air bubbles on top, and the liquid has separated. So I'm just draining that off. From here, you can use all of it right away, or you can add cold water and store it in the fridge until you're ready to use it. This ersho or starter can be stored in the fridge for up to 3 months, but you have to change the water every week at least. Okay, that's all there is to this video. If you have any question, comment down below and I'll try my best to answer it. I just want to say thank you so much for watching my video. I hope to see you in the next one.